Aqualung, my friend, don't just start away uneasy. You poor old sod, you see it's only me. Sitting on the park bench, I'm little girls with bad intent. Snot's running down his nose, greasy fingers smearing shabby clothes. Hey, Aqualung, drying in the